my name is Andrew. When I started looking for a window solution for my home, I contacted several window companies and installers. When I contacted Select Home Improvements, I was amazed. They had a representative out on my property that very same day, and the demonstration that they gave me for the Anlin product was amazing. I couldn't be happier with their professionality, everything that they did to make me feel comfortable with the windows, with the installation, with the warranty that comes with the windows is transferable to another buyer if we ever choose to sell this home, which we don't, especially not with the windows. But it's really amazing. I mean, the process from beginning to end was fantastic. It was quick, it was seamless, and I couldn't be happier, and I would definitely recommend Select Home Improvements to any of my friends or family.